Hello, this is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. In today's episode, it is after hours. Today is the second trading day of February, and I did not put out a trading video, but that's because sometimes you guys get tired of me doing the same thing over and over to the same stocks. So I'm not going to record those, but I wanted to talk about the big news right now. This is live, or when I'm making this video, Jeff Bezos is stepping down. The shares popped up originally, but then it's going back down a little bit. But I'm not too worried about that. Amazon, one of the best companies in the last 20 years. I think everybody is happy with the returns if you invested in that. But I wanted to talk about something even a little bit different. I wanted to talk about one of these industries that didn't do so well lately, or in the last couple of years, which is cannabis. So if you look at Canopy Growth Corporation, but I wanted to show you what's happening with this particular company now. So let's go into the chart. Today is up 4%. You see we'll look at some charting here, and I want to zoom in and look at the details. So in order to see what's going on, look at the 5-day chart. Canopy is only up about 3% in 5 days. In a month, it's up 69% compared to the S&P. And if you look at a 3-month chart, this is right around the election, 122%. And if you look at the 6-month chart, 128. Now there's more. You look at Aurora. Aurora Cannabis is up 13% today. Let's take a quick look at the chart. Again, we'll start at the 5-day. You see that it's outperforming the S&P. 1 month up 52%. 3 months should be up. Look at that. 3 months is up huge. This is even more than the last one. This is a 213. The last one I think was 150 we said. 6-month chart doesn't look so good. You see this? But the election did pop it. So there's a common theme here. But I wanted to show you the 6 months so we don't just ignore what's happening. But you still made money if you got in 6 months ago. And there's more. The next ticker symbol I'm looking at is APHA. Today is up 17% in the day, and after hours is up a little bit. 5 days is up 13%. 1 month is up 113. 3 months is 227. Again, this is near the election. 6 month, you'll see this chart again at the 6 month. This thing is up 200%. And one of the last ones I want to look at is something that I invested in. I actually did a video on this saying that if you're a Robinhood user, you can't even buy this OTC, this over-the-counter ticker, which is too bad. I mean, this is a $5 billion business, but I'm going to show you something real quick. Let's take a look at the chart. I'm based in Florida, so I follow this company because I see the locations around town, and they're always opening new stores in different parts of Florida. 5-day doesn't look so good. You look at the 1 month, it's a little bit behind all the other ones, up 30%. And the 3 months is a little bit behind the other ones. A lot of them were up triple digits. This is only up 80%. And if you look at the 6 month, right here, again, the 6 month chart is up 160. So as you see, there is a pattern here. A lot of this stuff has been moving since the election, and some of it makes sense. If you don't follow it, that's okay. You don't have to follow the industry, but when change of an administration happens, generally the laws may switch. It may become a little bit more in favor of the industry. And again, I don't know anything about cannabis. I don't use it. I don't buy it. I don't have a medical card in the state of Florida or any state. But I do follow the medical usage. I do invest in like GW. I also invest in Charlotte's Web. And most of those are medical uses. So I follow it from a medical point of view. And I know that cannabis is a very interesting play. I still think you're 5 years ahead or early in this game. I don't think it's ready for mainstream. It should be, but it's not. But I follow it because if if they can prove that there's some positive usage for treatment for certain medical use, I do think that the world, or at least in America, more people will see that there are some use cases that are legitimate, not about people getting high and smoking weed in their house, but more of it's a pain relief for some. It's definitely better than opioids, and those are very addictive. And some people are suggesting that cannabis could be a better solution than that, where you can help people reduce some pain or some of the challenges they have with their body, and this can solve it. But in any case, I want to do a video. I want to know what you think. There is a merger coming up with Tilray. In any case, this video is dedicated to the whole cannabis space. A couple of years ago, it was definitely hot. Then your investment went up in smoke. Many people lost 80, 90, 95% of their investment. So it has been a very difficult industry to make money in. And I admit, I definitely had some investments that were 99%, I think, gone. And again, that's some of the risk when you get in early. I always tell people you should invest maybe a small amount, $500, maybe $1,000. But you do small amounts, see what happens. If the company looks like it's growing and it can sustain its growth and good positive news come out every quarter on their earnings, then maybe you throw in another 500 or another 1,000. And over the years, you can build your position. You don't need to buy your 5,000 shares up front. You want to slowly go into it. You dip your toe in. And if the company proves that it can grow, you don't know who the gorilla of the industry is yet. And I think this is why you want to take your time to pick which one you want. So in this episode, that's all I have. Hit the like, subscribe, give me a comment. Are you following something else? Are you following another cannabis company? Let me know which one you like. Give me the reasons why. I like to research it and see if there's a better investment. I need to figure out what I need to do with some of my duds. There are times where you have to call, you sell your losers and move into something that's going to win. Anyway, let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time. Have a profitable day.